So the wife of Kamdev, the Lord and controller of desire, the instigator of desire, is Rati. And Rati is attachment. So when the gopis are saying, Twai Ratim, our attachment, we are Kushla, we are so expert and clever and faithful and attached, we realize that you are the only object of attachment, Rati, and you are the only object of our lust, desire, because you are our very selves. And this word is why this verse 33, Swa-Atman, is why the Acharyas are calling this the Pranaya Gita, because the gopis are indicating that by the word Swa-Atman. Because Swa-Atman means you are me and I am you. So this pranaya means that when you breathe in, that's my breath you're breathing in. And when I breathe in, that's your breath I'm breathing in. So your inhalation and exhalation is one with mine. Your feelings are one with mine. So Vishwanath gives a nice insight